Hey everyone, it's Dr. Stacy Naito, and today I'm going to talk to you about a product from Nutree Professional. This is the Amazon-less acai and cacao real Brazilian keratin. And so you can see the package there. Now, this is a legitimate keratin treatment. This is a professional treatment. Now the company is suggesting that you can use it at home, but I wanted to put one caveat out there because I've actually already done the treatment. It is a professional treatment. You need to have some familiarity with professional salon hairstyling products. You need to do it in a very well ventilated room. So I am just strongly urging you to do that. You can even do it outside. That would probably be better. I actually did the treatment maybe, let's see, I think it was 4 days ago, and my hair isn't super arrow straight post-treatment, so I had a really pronounced wave in my hair, which you can see right now. And I actually developed that wave after I went through menopause, so my hair was actually really straight, and then I went through menopause and it got wavy and wonky. Now, after doing the Amazon-less treatment on my hair, again, it's not super arrow straight. There's still a little bit of that natural wave, but my hair is so much smoother, so much silkier. It's not tangling, it's not frizzing, which is awesome. I love that. And also, when I put the flat iron through my hair now, I get really smooth, really professional looking flat iron results. And I was not getting that before because my hair was just frizzing out so much. So in fact, I had to use a steam flat iron. That was the only one that seemed to work on my hair. So now I can just use a regular flat iron and I get really great results. In fact, this is my hair after I washed it yesterday and I flat ironed it and then I slept on it. So this is with my hair, you know, not touched up. I slept on it and it's really nice and straight. It's silky. It feels really nice. So, you know, I think for the price you pay for this treatment, it's absolutely worth it. You get beautiful results. You're actually strengthening the bonds in the hair. So, you know, it's actually pretty good for your hair. The makers of the Amazon-less treatment have really put together a wonderful treatment regimen. I think the products are outstanding. So I hope that helps. Please check out the link at the end of this video for more information on this fantastic product. Seriously, you guys have got to try it. You're going to love it.